MSc Part 2 Paper 3 Natural Product and Spectroscopy. In that Natural Product 2 Unit 2 Natural Product 2. The next point is the prostaglandin. What is meant by prostaglandin? The prostaglandin and their related compound prostaglandin PGI is a thermoboxin, TXA. These are the lipoproxin are and the lipoproxin are the collectively known as the eicosanoids. They are all contain 20 carbon. The structure of a prostaglandin. The prostaglandin are the derivative of a 20 carbon fatty acid, prostanoic acid, hence known as a prostanoids. This has a cycloheptane ring formed by the carbon atom 8 to 12 and a two side chain with a carboxylic group on one side. The prostaglandin differ in their structure due to the substituent group and double bond on the cycloheptane ring. Most important prostaglandin is a PGF2 and PGF2 alpha. Then prostacyclins is a PGI2. Important prostaglandin आहेत हे. Then biochemical action of a prostaglandins. Firstly is a prostaglandin act as a local hormones. Then PGS are produced in almost all the tissue. Then PGS are not stored in and they are regarded to the inactive product at the site of their production, and PGS are the produced in very small amount and have a low half-life. Then regulation of a blood pressure. The prostaglandins is a PGE, PGA and PGI2 are vascular in function. These result in an increased blood flow and decreased peripheral resistance to lower the blood pressure. Then prostaglandins serve as a agents in the treatment of the hypertension. Prostaglandin, these are the prostanoic acids structure वरती दिलेले आहे. and these are the prostaglandin substituent group and structure. Okay, PGA आहे. then double bond double bond आहे C10 C11 मध्ये and keto group is C9 वरती आणि ते structure आहे. then PGB double bond is a carbon 8 and carbon 12 मध्ये आहे. then keto group 9 वरती आहे. okay, PGC is a double bond in C11 and C12 मध्ये आहे and keto group आहे C9 वरती. then PGD is a OH group at a C9 वरती आहे. then keto group is a C11 वरती आहे. then PGE is a keto group at a C9 वरती and OH group is a C11 वरती आहे. then PGF is a OH group at a carbon 9 वरती आहे and at C11 वरती आहे. then PGG the two oxygen atom present at a C9 C11 are bonded hydroperoxide group at a C15. PGH is a ring the same as the PGG सारखीच आहे. OH group at the C15. then PGI जो आहे attachment of oxygen between the C6 and C9 forming the another 5 carbon ring. हे prostaglandinचे काही टाइप आहेत. then prostaglandin E1 is a PGE1 also known as a alprostadil is a naturally occurring prostaglandin which is used in a medication. then infant which a congenital heart defect, it is used to slow injection into a vein to open the ductus arterius until surgery can be carried out. By the injection into the veins or placement in the urethra, it is used to treat dysfunction. The common side effect when given to babies include decreased breathing, fever and low blood pressure. Then when used to the erectile, the dysfunction side effect may include the penile pain, bleeding at the site of the injection and the prolonged Then prostaglandin E1 is in the vasodilator family of the medication. It works by the opening blood vessel by the relaxing smooth muscles. These are the structure of the prostaglandin. हे prostaglandinचं स्ट्रक्चर आहे. Thank you.